Alright, early afternoon is here as we're in the first weekend of April. April 5th, 2025. Cian Hayes here along with John Yamada, 1214, coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin again with another video lined up. Southbound on the way. Check them out. Just lean back and get them.
Where's Potash?
35, 28, 34. Manifest. DPU coming up. Another C6M rebuild. 3370. M342. 342, 41 of the 4th. Started at Symington Yard in the Big Manitoba, Canada. Go ahead, inbound for Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana. Here's the last of it. The ROX 17051. The last of it. That's going to do it for the 342, 41 of the 4th. Do it for the 38, 35, 28, 34, and the new 3370. We'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great afternoon. Have a great weekend. See you next time, and hope I will see you down the May line. Cian Hayes out.